Good morning, guys. It's it. What's up, you guys? It's Go Dogs Phone. What you guys been up to? Anything for flush? Anything exciting? Well, today we're going to church. So that's what's going on. We're just heading out soon. Grabbing Rachel's phone, wherever it is. So that's what I'm doing. Grabbing Rachel's phone. Found it.
Hey guys, so I'm gonna try the new lemonade crunch refresho. So from McDonald's, you guys. Is it well worth the money? I don't think so, but I'm gonna give Rachel a try. So that's what I'm gonna do. 1 second. Is it worth the money?
I like it.
Is it worth the money?
I don't know. It tastes more like kiwi to me.
Kiwi?
Mm-hmm.
Playing some hand foot, you guys. That's what we're doing. The 5 you talk about? What the 5's doing there? I do not know. We are playing some Ticket to Ride, you guys. Look at that. Hey guys, we just got home not that long ago and I recorded a video earlier. So we've been home for at least 30 minutes. I'm making some Mr. Noodles, so that's what I'm doing. So it's gonna be good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this episode. You guys do give it a big thumbs up and tell me in the comments what you guys want me to do tomorrow with a new video. Goodbye.